Thank you for coming in my YouTube channel Blogging Mantra. In this video, I will tell you how to rank your website using Google Search Console. How I am getting traffic from Google Search Console and best tips I will provide to rank your website in Google Search. Okay, so let me check. This is my website moviehdflex.com. This is the movie website, and right now my traffic I'll just refresh so that you can confident in my video. I'll always make video in practically so that you can learn more and with confident. Okay, so this is my website name moviehdflex.com, and this is the my website movie. Okay, this is my movie website, an Indian movie website. So I'll daily basis I'll uploading in Bollywood, Hollywood and web series related articles in this website. Okay, and I'll start from you. And this is my website speed. I always given one tips: if your website speed is better, if your website is speed above 90, then definitely you can get a good result to rank your website. Okay, so whenever you go, this is my Google Search Console. Okay, and last 3 month I am getting 158k click, and this is my website ranking position is average position is 8.9, and this is keyword which I am getting traffic from, and you have to just search this keyword. So I am just copy this keyword and searching in Google. This is my first position in my website. So and any other keyword you can find out here. This movie is Thappad full movie download, and just copy it, and I am searching in Google. This is a average position 1 second position I am getting, and here is showing is 3.8 position. So this is my search console, and you will find out there is lot of keyword I am getting traffic from, and pages wise this is the post where my post is ranked, and total click 57,000, total impression and average position. Okay, and country wise you will find me, and India is first ranking, and Pakistan second, and third is Bangladesh, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka, and lots of country I am getting traffic from, all of the countries. Okay, so in this video I will tell you how you can rank your website using Google Search Console. So up to now I am just showing my performance report to you, but now I am providing you the solution how to rank your website using Google Search Console. So up to now you have seen my video, so please like my video, and if you are coming my YouTube channel first time, then please subscribe my channel so that I'll put daily basis like that videos for you. Okay, so just go to your performance report, and here is the post, which post is ranking, and as you seen that there is the lots of pages. Just I am increasing my pages. So as you down and going to there, just find out where you are not getting any click. Okay, just go down, just going to there, and there is a 0 click, just one click, and there is a 0 click. Okay, this post I am getting 0 click. Okay, this post. So I just suggest you, if you have 0 click and some impression, so definitely you will increase is SEO. Okay, just copy that and just opening this post, getting impression but not getting any click. So just edit that post, just a minute, edit that post, and I'll find out. This is the, where is, just a minute. This post I am editing, this one. Okay, so just click that post and go to query. Here you can find out the keyword. So this keyword you must have to include in that post. Okay, so this one by one copy that all keyword. Okay, and include that keyword to that post. Editing mode, where you have to put that keyword to here. Okay, just a minute, this keyword. Okay, and one by one you have to go there and just copy that keyword, and here you can put anywhere or make one paragraph and write some content over there. Here you can write some content. Okay, so definitely you have to put some content about that. Okay, so just search in Google and find out that keyword related post, and just copy that some content about there. Just copy that and just make it unique and post over there. Just post. I am just showing you, this is just a demo video. Just make that paragraph unique so that you can definitely rank your post. Okay, so one by one go to search console and copy that keyword and go to your post and include that post keyword and write some article about that keyword. Okay, after some time you will definitely get a click on that post, and definitely you can get a such traffic. Okay, so just a simple idea I am showing you. Just go to your post and find out where 0 click and impression. There is a 0 click, but this is the page, and just find out the post name, just going down to. Okay, this is the post. I am getting 0 click and impression I am getting. So just click that post, go to query and find out the list of keyword. Okay, that keyword you have to include in that post. Okay, so definitely you get traffic from that after some time. So this is the simple idea I am showing you. This is my website traffic. Real time I am getting 16 traffic, 16 user, my 16 user from all of the countries. Okay, so location wise you can find out in India all of the 12, and Pakistan 2, Bangladesh 1, Cambodia 1, and Indonesia 1. So this is the overview videos. I just want to show you how I am getting the traffic, and this is my website speed. I just analyze live to you. Okay, so just I'll say you best Google console tips for you. Just one tips is there: your website speed should be 90 up, and you have to definitely go to your Google search console and find out. Go to performance, last 3 month, go to pages, and go to click descending order, and find out here the post where I am getting the impression but not getting the click. Okay, and then this post will be copied, and just open that post and edit post. Okay, just go to edit. This is the edit mode, and just go to your search console and go to keyword and include that keyword to your post. Okay, so definitely you will get within a 24 hours, you will definitely get good traffic. Okay, so just this is Thappad movie HD free, and just click that post and go to query. Just a minute. Go to query, and you will find out the list of keyword. So just include that keyword to your post. So thank you for watching my video. If you like, if you get motivate something, if you learn something from this video, just like that video so that I will motivate, and daily basis I will put new video for you. So thank you.